People who hiccup a lot know this well.
The sound of a hiccup is very distinctive.
That's because when a hiccup happens, the muscle below the lungs
Suddenly spasms uncontrollably.
Forcing the lungs to inhale quickly.
But just as the air reaches the throat,
The vocal cords suddenly snap shut.
the airflow stops instantly, and that unique hiccup sound is born.
As for snoring,
It's also closely related to muscles.
after falling asleep, the throat muscles fully relax.
The airway becomes narrower when air passes through this narrow space.
air resistance increases sharply.
The body pushes harder to move the air, causing the relaxed tissues in the throat
To vibrate continuously.
and that familiar snoring sound appears.
Mild snoring
May not be harmful.
But if the snoring is extremely loud and comes with breathing difficulties,
it could be the body.
Sending a warning of oxygen deprivation.
so don't ignore it. Follow me. Next time, I'll explain why we sneeze